We'll move on to the ISC Ventis MX4. This particular one is the pump model. It does have a slide-on pump option. This particular one does not have that. Again, removing the housing screws so we can get to the interior of the unit and replace the sensor. Two more housing screws to remove. We have the inside of the monitor showing the boards. This particular monitor has its own sensor board, and we can see the H2S sensor. These particular ISC sensors do not have the prongs, they just have a connection board. And the new sensor is in its spot. We'll connect the back housing by tightening up the two housing screws. Put the monitor back into the pump housing. And we will let this sit for a short while before we calibrate this monitor.